Hi, so we're going to do a quick blog on video for making a poster template in Google Draw for your students. So let's say you wanted your students to make a poster on a certain topic in your class, or you wanted your kids to be able to do one quick poster, but you didn't want to have all of the magazines and cutting and pasting going on in your classroom, so you wanted them to do it digitally. So you could easily do that in Google Draw. I'm in my Google Drive right now, and I'm going to open up New. So I told the kids when I was working with them, it's Blue New. I'm going to the Blue New bar, and I'm going to go to More, and I'm going to open up Google Drawings, and I'm going to click that, and it opens up a blank gridded document for me. I can make this bigger if I want to, and wider, and it will give me a gridded document for whatever my purposes are. So I'm going to title this poster template. Now, if I were making my students do this, it wouldn't be poster template, it would actually be their poster. So for my students, let's say I for sure want a title. Then I'm going to tell them I want a title on here. So they're going to insert a text block. That's all I had them do was click here and draw a text block. That's all they did, is click and stretch that text block. That's all we did. Now I have several and I'm going to delete them. I'm clicking on text block and drawing it in. There's my text block. I'm going to make a huge font for my text block. I'm going to make it a big O 72. And I'm going to change it to a different font, and I'm going to make it rock salt because I like rock salt. And I'm going to make it say title, Title. I'm going to center it, and I'm going to make it big, and it's going to say title. Now I have a title for my poster. Now the other thing that I would want on a poster from my students, I would want an image. So the cool thing about images in Google Draw is I can actually have them upload it from the computer if they had images already. I can have them search the web. I can have them take one from their Google Drive, which most of our kids would not have one, from their photos, by URL, or from a camera. For this one, I'm going to actually show you how to search the web. This takes them from Google Images already, and it will let you only select images that you have confirmed that you have the license to use. And this will be perfect because we only want our kids to be able to use images that are good to use. So we're going to search here, and we're going to search, we'll just search for cats because we're going to say that cats is what our poster is for. And there's our little cat. I click on the picture. When the blue check appears on it, all I have to do is click the word insert. And there is my picture of a cat. Now I have the picture. I can shrink it by using my little arrows. There's my information on cats. There's my picture. So I have one image on cats. Now, what else would I want in my poster on cats? I would want a summary of what the student learned on cats. So here I would expect a detailed summary in complete sentences on, actually as a short paragraph. That's what I would expect on your topic. So this is what I would expect from my students. And let's see, I would also expect some data. So I would insert another text block because I would want my students to put some data or facts here. Sorry, insert a text block. And I would expect some bulleted facts. So I would want some bulleted facts, maybe some additional images. I might want some graphics or a graph. I might want some data points or some specific data. And I might want, I may have a requirement of 5 resources for your information. Okay? And then I may actually tell them, and I want a links section. So I'm going to tell them over here, I want resource links. So I want them to give me a list, a clickable links to websites or videos on your topic. So because this is done in Google Drawings, students can actually put live links in their poster that people can click on and go straight into the live links for their poster. So this would be a general quick thing that I've done in Google Draw that lets my students know this is what I want their poster to do. So in order to create this, all students would do is open Google Draw and create using this template. So I would share this with my students and say this is what I expect as a minimum for your posters in Google Draw. Now, of course, they could get advanced and they could change the backgrounds, they could format their pages, they could change their background image, they can crop and reset, they can insert shapes, tables, charts, diagrams, word art, lines. They can make tons of different changes, and there's tons of tools, but the basics work like Word. And that's what we want your students to be able to do, is try something different. I will, of course, share this with anyone that's interested. It's a basic format for a poster. I hope this gives you a quick overview of things that you can do in Google Draw. Thanks!